Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah Muhammad bin Abdullah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa mawala wa ba'd. Good morning, my listeners. Good evening, my listeners, and good afternoon, my listeners, irrespective of where you are actually hearing my voice from. So I still remain my humble self, Akoride Oluwayinka, assigned at Source Academic Online Class, which this class is mainly for science courses, where we discuss something on chemistry, physics, mathematics, and so on, based on the A-level program and SSE program as well. Well, today, inshallah, we are going to be talking on a prominent aspect on organic chemistry. As you all know, that when we say organic chemistry, as we discussed under aliphatic hydrocarbon. When I say aliphatic hydrocarbon, I mean an hydrocarbon that exists in straight or linear pattern. Like, this is C2H6. This is ethane, right? Or ethane, anyhow you call it. Whereas, how many carbon are we having? We have how many carbon? 2 carbon. This is the molecular formula, MF. Why this? Let's draw the structural formula. C to C. C bonding to C with one bond. Then what are we having? We have hydrogen to B6. Then we have to distribute that, delocalize that for these 2 carbon atom. Where we put 3 here, 1, 2, 3. 1 hydrogen here, 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 1 hydrogen here. Why are we putting 3 here? Note that for a single carbon atom to stand alone, there must be an attachment of ammonia hydrogen atom. 4. 1, 2, 3, then the hidden one here, 4. That is for one single carbon. The same thing, check here. This is another carbon. 1, 2, 3. With this hidden one, they are sharing it. It is 4. This type of structure, we call it aliphatic hydrocarbon. Aliphatic, we have discussed that. Aliphatic, we are just doing the recap. Hydrocarbon. So, now that means, check, why do we call it aliphatic? From the word aliphatic means linear. It is on linear, it is the synonymous word that you can still use for linear. It is also straight. So any structure that you draw that has to do with carbon and hydrogen. Carbon, hydrogen, carbon, 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 hydrogen. Carbon, hydrogen means it is an hydrocarbon, hydrogen, carbon. Then the structure exists like this, straightly, not like this. We call it an aliphatic hydrocarbon altogether. But we have, inshallah, we have discussed so many things on this, where we discuss alkene, nomenclature of alkenes, and so many of them. You can check more on that class based on the aliphatic aspect of what? Organic chemistry. Inshallah, today we are going to be saying something on what? We are going to see something on aromatic. Organic chemistry as a whole, it is divided into what? 2 segments. It is divided into 2 segments. The first segment is what I just explained now, aliphatic hydrocarbon. So if someone asks you, from listeners, you can be jotting something out. If someone asks you, organic chemistry, it is classified into how many? It is classified into 2. We have the aliphatic one, which is aliphatic hydrocarbon, and we have the what? Aromatic hydrocarbon. That is where I'm actually heading to. Now let's see something. This is the the beginning journey of aromatic hydrocarbon. We are going to be seeing so many things on aromatic hydrocarbon, inshallah. But let's be making it one after the other. So let's journey through the what? The second aspect of organic classification, which is the what? Aromatic. Aromatic hydrocarbon. Now, one thing, what I want you to note, that what should firstly come to your mind, whenever you hear something aromatic, that carbon, we are here to aromatic hydrocarbon, which is also aromatic organic compound. Now, what should come to your mind? Let's break it into segments. We have known that hydrocarbon means we are in that structure, we should be seeing C and H there. But how do we arrange the C and H? Is it in linear form, as we do for aliphatic hydrocarbon, or is it in another dimension? That is the main bone of what? Contention. Now, note that whenever you hear aromatic hydrocarbon, what should come to your mind, it is that it is a ring hydrocarbon, and that is another name. It is a ring hydrocarbon, ring. You know, when I say ring, you know what I mean by ring, like something of this. That means the structure will be something of this, or the structure might be something of this. So it is a ring what? Hydrocarbon. A ring hydrocarbon. So should come to your mind that the carbon and hydrogen that we are to be drawing, should it be in a straight form